Hi there. Want to run multiple MT4 terminals on your PC or VPS for different strategies or accounts? In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to install and duplicate MT4 efficiently. Let's boost your trading setup starting now. Step 1. Before starting the installation, ensure you have access to your VPS and the necessary login credentials. Also, confirm that your VPS is running a supported operating system, such as Windows Server. Step 2. Open a web browser on your VPS and visit the official MetaTrader website at www.MetaTrader4.com. Click on the MetaTrader 4 tab, then find and click the blue Windows icon. The setup file will begin downloading automatically. Check the progress at the bottom of your browser. Step 3. Once the download is complete, open the Downloads folder on your VPS. Double-click the installation file to start the installation process. Step 4. A security warning may appear. Simply click Run then, press Next and wait for the installation to complete. Step 5. After the installation is finished, open the MetaTrader 4 program on your VPS. You will be prompted to log in or create an account. If you already have an MT4 account, enter your login credentials. If not, you can create a new account. Next, how to duplicate MT4, MT5. Step 1. Open File Explorer, or This PC, then navigate to Local Disk C, Program Files, Chapter AT6. Step 2. Inside Program Files, x86, locate the folder of the MT4 instance you want to duplicate. Right-click on the folder and select Copy. Then, paste it into the same directory. Step 3. After pasting, the copied folder will have the word Copy appended to its name. This helps you identify it as a duplicate. Step 4. Open the duplicated folder and locate the terminal file. There will be two files named Terminal inside. Choose the one with the application type. Right-click on it and select Send to Desktop. Step 5. On your desktop, a shortcut to the terminal will appear. Rename it by right-clicking and selecting Rename. Give it a unique name to differentiate it from the original MT4. Step 6. To change the icon, right-click on the shortcut and select Properties. Click Change Icon, then browse for a custom icon from the location where you stored the duplicated MT4 folder. And that's how you install and duplicate MT4 on your PC or VPS. Simple, flexible, and perfect for multitasking in trading. If this video helped you, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful. See you in the next tutorial.